I would just like to take this opportunity to thank all the countries, member states, delegates, the UN agencies, and especially the Secretary General Antonio Guterres for the remarkable attention that they have given to this particular event. And allow me to say that it was his coming to Pakistan at the right time which triggered an international attention that it deserved. The words that he used to describe this disaster were indeed the correct words to describe it. And allow me to say that I think all the 33 million people in Pakistan who've been affected by this crisis, and even the 220 million of Pakistanis, are grateful to him and his team for that. I would also like to thank Julian for mentioning specifically that the entire flash appeal number, no matter how much or how high it goes, is not even 20% of the total response to the floods and its victims by the government and people of Pakistan. And perhaps uncelebrated over here go the people of Pakistan who have opened their hearts, pockets, minds, and homes to climate refugees, to people who've been struck by this disaster, which everyone recognizes now through attribution studies is not one of their own making. And allow me to say also that I think this is a moment for all of us, for the world, to tell these people or to respond back to anyone in future who might suffer from a calamity of not their own making, that even though we may not have the right text on the climate crisis response or the architecture for the climate crisis response at the global level, but that as humans we will all come together to respond to the needs of a people who have done nothing to deserve this fate. And I would end just by saying that we continue to talk about the resilience and endurance of these people who are going through this crisis right now. But I think it is our job altogether, people in Pakistan and those abroad, to come together and to make sure that these people are not only equipped to survive this crisis, that they are equipped to be in a position to thrive after they survive this crisis.